What's going on, everybody? I'm back to making these videos. It's coronavirus everywhere worldwide. Got no work, no school, nothing to do. So I thought it was only right to order a new bike. Pretty much I ordered a whole brand new bike, part by part. I'm gonna put it together right now with Shah. Shah, say what's up. They missed you.
Yeah, hey, hello.
So we got
home in your home.
We got some cinema wheels, Fiend. The whole bike is Fiend and pretty much cinema and cult. Gonna put it together right now, so stay tuned for that. All right, guys, so the bike is fully together, as you can see. One with all black, matte black frame, bars, forks, and wheels are gloss black. So let's start with the top. We got my favorite grips, the Animal Mike Hoder grips, bars, Fiend Reynolds bars, 8.75 rise, I believe 28 wide or 27.5 wide. Then we got the Cult stem, Garret signature V2 frame, 20.75 top tube. Then we got the the Fiend processor fork. Then we got the Fiend cab front wheel, comes with hub guards on both sides. I got the Fiend Belmont peg, they're over 4 inches long. They're the long pegs. Like these a bit more, stay on grinds longer. Tires, I'm running the BSD Donnasqueak tires, 2.4 in the front and in the rear. Then I got Garrett's seat, always fiending. Garret PC pedals from Fiend. Got the Fiend segment cranks, 160 millimeter, really short. It's pretty weird coming from 170 to 160. Actually, I used to ride 165, but still, it still feels like a little bit different. Then coming over here, I got Garrett's, I don't know if this is Garrett's, but it's a Fiend sprocket, 25 tooth with the bash guard. Then I got a regular chain, and then I have a Cult seat post, Cult bottom bracket, and finally for the rear wheel, I ordered initially a Cinema FX2 rear wheel, but I accidentally ordered left-hand drive. I don't know why, I'm stupid, it's been a while. I needed right-hand drive, so I traded with my friend. This is a brand new Cult free coaster laced to a Cult rim, and that's pretty much my bike. It's pretty solid, if you ask me. Sounds pretty dialed. Do that one more time. The whole bike is pretty much dialed. I like how it rides. The only thing I got to get used to is the stem. I'm coming from a top load stem to front load stem, so bar spins are a little bit weird, but I'm gonna give you guys some riding clips right now.